Hi students, in this video we will be discussing about MCA Entrance Examination Syllabus for March 2024. Before I start discussing the syllabus, in our last video I had declared some tentative dates and they are being confirmed that State Common Entrance Test Cell had confirmed our MCA Entrance Examination will be conducted tentative on Saturday 30th 3 2024. And we have a copy of a syllabus which has been present for the MCA Entrance 2023. So today I will be discussing the syllabus which has been there in 2023, which has been continued for 2024. If any certain changes are there, I will be definitely updating you in this video session. So you stay tuned with us and subscribe our channels to get the new updates also. Now let us understand what is exactly present in our syllabus of MCA Entrance. First of all, let's revise the marking scheme. We have 4 subjects: mathematics and statistics, logical abstract reasoning, English comprehensive and verbal abilities, and computer concept. That is 30, 30, 20, 20, and total is 200 marks examination, and duration of the examination is of 90 minutes. So you have to be very quick. One good advantage over here in this MCA entrance that there is no negative marking scheme which has been applied for these entrances. सर इसका मतलब हम लोग कोई भी आंसर चूज करेंगे तो चल जाएगा ना, नेगेटिव मार्किंग नहीं है ना? नहीं है, पर परसेंटाइल में दौड़ ज्यादा होती है और अगर आपको टॉप कॉलेजेस चाहिए तो आपको परसेंटाइल ज्यादा ही होना चाहिए. And for that reason you need to prepare well for each and every section of this examination. Now let us try to understand what is present in mathematics and statistics. We have a coordinate geometry, we have a probability and statistics, we have arithmetic as well as differential equation. Algebra is going to be there, trigonometry is going to be there, as well as mensurations will be also there, and basic set of theory and functions are the curriculum of mathematics and statistics. Further, in logical and abstract reasoning, we have a sitting arrangement, we have a critical reasoning, we have a blood relationship, mapping. So these are topics which are there in logical reasoning. For English comprehension and verbal ability, we have a grammar. We need to have and work on a vocabulary. We need to work with the comprehensions as well as synonymous and antonyms. So these are the options which are been available for the English comprehensions and verbal ability. As well as sentence correction is also been there, and jumbled paragraphs are also been there. In our computer concept, we need to work on the basics, a data representation, computer architecture, computer languages, and these are the points which need to be remembered by. Students, I just would like to recommend that in our next videos, I will be discussing about each and every syllabus in detail. So stay tuned with us and wait for our next video.